GoTo Resolve for Small Business IT, a simple guide. Looking for a simple solution to manage your small business IT needs? You're in the right place. GoTo Resolve for Small Business IT is one option you might have come across, but is it the right one for you? Let's break it down and see if it really delivers what it promises. First off, GoTo Resolve offers a pretty straightforward approach to IT management. It allows businesses to handle remote IT support, system management, and troubleshooting all in one platform. It sounds great in theory, right? But when we dive deeper, it's clear that there are some caveats to consider. Next thing, let's talk about the user interface. GoTo Resolve aims to be user-friendly, and for the most part, it is. Setting up remote sessions and managing devices is intuitive. But here's the issue. It can feel a bit too simplified for those who want more control over their systems. If you're running a small business and need specific configurations or advanced features, this may leave you feeling like you're not getting the full picture. The third thing to consider is their support. One of the core benefits of GoTo Resolve is its ability to provide quick support for end users, making remote troubleshooting easy. However, some users report that the response times can vary depending on the complexity of the issue. If you're running a business that relies heavily on IT uptime, you might find yourself wishing for faster resolution, especially during peak times. The fourth thing is the price point. GoTo Resolve isn't the most expensive solution out there, but it's not the cheapest either. For small businesses with limited budgets, the cost might raise an eyebrow, especially when you compare it to alternatives that offer more for the same price. Now, here's the kicker. While GoTo Resolve does check many of the boxes for IT support and system management, there are alternatives that might give you more bang for your buck, especially if your goal is to keep things running smoothly with fewer headaches. These competitors might offer more in-depth features, better scalability, or faster support, making them a stronger contender depending on your business needs. In fact, we've got an exclusive offer to check out one of these alternatives that could be a game changer. It's not just another option, it's a better solution for small businesses looking to manage IT systems without all the extra complications. Plus, we've secured an extended free trial just for you, so you can test it out risk-free. Remember, GoTo Resolve might work for some businesses, but for others, it might not hit the mark. That's why we've done the legwork to bring you the best alternatives that can help your business thrive with minimal hassle. You can access these through our link below, and you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. So, before you make a final decision, make sure to check out the alternatives we've mentioned. They're worth considering if you want a smoother, more efficient IT experience for your small business.